What's up YouTube, it's Louis here, hope you're all well. We're looking at Bitcoin and today you can see that Bitcoin's finally breaking out. I just had a mentorship lesson, that's why I wasn't able to make a video earlier. But you can see we had this symmetrical triangle or bull pennant, bullish continuation pattern. And you can see the target is just from the high to the low, so actually that was a bit incorrect. So from there, let's just see if that's correct. A bit lower, from there to there, put it on the breakout. Target has now been met, you can see it. So the target has now been met out of that. This can continue. You can see now we're at this larger double bottom. I went through quite a few scenarios yesterday in the Discord group chat. A lot of bullish patterns, also some bearish ones. Here's some bullish ones where we had this sort of rising wedge over here, a falling wedge with a break up target to the upside. 66% chance of meeting 48.2k. Of course, this can break to the downside as well. So guys, here are the crypto packages. If you think you have what it takes to stay disciplined and consistent over the next 3 to 6 months, then I'm more than happy to help you 10x your learning curve. So you can already be a complete beginner, or you can be advanced. It doesn't matter. I'm here to turn you into a self-sufficient trader that doesn't need anyone else's guidance by the end of it. I even had to pay over £10,000 to get all this information. That includes scams, scam signals where I lost 3k, scam master account management where I lost 5k, scam pyramid scheme companies for bad courses. Then I found my mentor and I had to pay over $2,000 for just a 2-hour mentorship lesson. What you guys are getting for £650 is access to the chat until the top of the market. So if the top of the market is a year away, do 1 year times 40. So you're definitely getting your money's worth. You also get the course included in the mentorship. And I'll actually not just do a 2-hour lesson with you. I will stay here for a month period to make sure that you become a self-sufficient trader by the end of it. So if you're interested in this, head over to my Twitter, Louis_crypto, to the pinned post and message me there. There's also this inverse head and shoulders over here, which we called out. So one shoulder ahead and a second shoulder, and now we're breaking out in this pennant, or symmetrical triangle, and breaking out again. So it's looking bullish because this target I think is 49k from there to there, from the neckline to the lowest body. Put it on the breakout right there. Our target is 49.15k. You can see that is already above the 1, so technically you would be heading to 51k. Also breaking out of this double bottom right now, you can see over here, this is in a target to 48.15k, let's say. So it's looking all good at the moment. If we zoom out a bit now, go to the 4-hour time frame. If you remember from yesterday's video, I said there's some important levels. Of course, this golden bit was the 618. So although we're breaking out right now, which is amazing on the small times as well, the last few times that we came into this zone, you can see we were above it, came back below, were above, came back below. This is only the beginning of this 4-hour candle. It's only been here for 30 minutes. So we need to be careful with this because this could obviously wick back down. Let's not get too excited right now. At the moment though, on the 1-hour time frame, we can see this bullish continuation pattern. The target, of course, has been met, but we're now validating this next target, 48.1, back to this high, now that we are above the 618, but also because we're above this double bottoms neckline over here. So yeah, should continue up. The only thing that would invalidate this is obviously if we come back down and lose the 618 and lose this support now, then we will head lower. So as long as we're above this now, we can say we should be heading back up to the 1. We just need to confirm this breakout on the 1 hour. You can see this is a current candle. Can't make a judgment just yet. On the 15-minute time frame, this candle's about to shut in 16 seconds. So that's good to see. So yeah, let's see what happens. Going forward, this is our target going forward. We know, of course, if you remember from the video the other day, if we're losing the support, which is, if I zoom out again, so if we're losing this wick here, if we're coming down and losing 44.4k in and around there, then we're going to come back down to 42k. Otherwise, if we can come up now and actually break this high, it's so key now. I'm not getting excited yet. I'm not ringing the alarm bells just yet. We need to close above 48.2 for me on the daily time frame. Once we're doing that, okay, I'm happy to long. Until then, there's that risk. That's what's happening here is the same as what's happening here. So you can see we had this impulse up here, which was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days on the highest high. So 8 days till we made the highest high. From down here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days till the high. So, and then since then you've come down to the 12, almost touched the 20. Well, here you have almost touched it here. And now we're bouncing up. So exactly like this move to the upside here. Even with this move over here, you broke above the 55. It's a very bullish statement. Over here, you're even holding the 200. Even more bullish because it's telling us that we're now in an uptrend. So when we do break this high, that's why it's so vital for us to be long, to be bullish. Until then, there's that risk that you can see we could potentially be putting a false high where we fail to close above the actual top. And we come down lower and we close below that. That level there, where it basically validated this move down, is this level. So that's why it's important to stay above 44.3k. 44.3 to 44.4. As long as we do that, then this scenario won't happen. If that happens, you can see we would be coming back down to this double bottoms neckline. So I've been saying for a while on the channel, this is the actual scenario that I want to play out. Of course, you can see it as well. We actually have been holding the 12, amazing, but since the bullish cross here, you actually have not back tested the 20 or the 55, something that we must see, guys. Oh, sorry, lesson with students, sorry about that. But yeah, that's something that we must see, guys. You can see that even here, potentially some sort of ascending triangle to the upside, resistance, ascending support there. But yeah, for me, I want to see these EMAs retested. Of course, being above the 200 EMA is a very bullish statement, telling us we're in an uptrend. What I would say, though, is I don't like how we broke above it on the first attempt. I do like how it's actually come back down to test it as support, leaving this space here, sort of setting itself up, just like over here, to go and break the high. Now, what it must do is break the high. If it doesn't, you know what's going to happen next. We're going to come back down, lose it slow, come back down to this neckline. If you're enjoying the video, please like, please subscribe and comment. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. And as always, peace.